Hi friends, welcome to POFO WordPress Theme. In this video we will show how to use image gallery shortcode in WP Bakery Page Builder and explain about different helpful settings and different styles of image gallery shortcode. Image gallery is best way to list your full image in grid or masonry style with full image preview in Lightbox pop-up with next previous navigation. Using image gallery you can make your content interesting to your readers. So first of all log into WordPress admin backend, then create a new page or edit your existing page. Now you can see add element with plus icon. Click on row shortcode. Row shortcode is added to your page. Inside row, column is automatically added. Click on plus icon and click on POFO tab. Click on image gallery shortcode. You can see image gallery settings in pop-up here. POFO provide 3 different type of image gallery like simple image Lightbox, Lightbox gallery or zoom gallery. So let me go with simple image Lightbox. So this will be one image only. Here you can upload your image. Let me upload image. You can select your desired image thumbnail version from this list if you don't want to show full original image size. You can switch on off Lightbox gallery. You can select your desired CSS animation from this option. Design Options tab. Here you can manage margin, border, padding, border color, border style, border radius. You can also set background color or you can also upload background image. If you have uploaded background image then you can main background image properties like background type, background. If you want different design settings for different devices then you can switch on enable responsive CSS box. You can add different values for different devices like mini desktop, tablet and mobile. Go to Extra tab. In case if you want to customize this shortcode deeply then you can insert unique element ID for image gallery element. You can insert custom CSS class name here and then write custom CSS code using element ID and class name. You can add custom CSS code in Appearance Customize panel or you can add custom CSS code in Child Themes style file also. Let me save changes and let's check preview. Wow, you can see image with Lightbox pop-up and zoom effect. Go back to General tab and let me select Lightbox Gallery. You can upload multiple images to make a gallery. Let me upload some images. Grid style. If you are using same size of images then you can use grid option. If you are using images with same width but different height then you can use masonry option here. You can assign number of columns here. Spacing between columns, you can select your desired spacing here. Switch on off Lightbox gallery. Save changes and let's check preview. You can see the grid is looking awesome and when you click any of image and you can see Lightbox pop up with next previous navigation. Go back to General tab and let me select Zoom Gallery. So this is same like Lightbox Gallery but it is with zoom effects. Save changes and let's check preview. You can see zoom effect when it open and when it close. I hope this video has been helpful. Any more question about same or theme you can contact via our support. Thank you for watching.